If you need to unlink a bank account from Standard Chartered, this guide will walk you through the necessary steps to do so efficiently. Follow these steps to complete the process. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Standard Chartered online banking portal or mobile app. Enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section. This is typically found in the main menu or under your account profile options. Step 3. Select Linked Accounts. In the account settings, look for an option labeled Linked Accounts or Manage Accounts. Click on this option to view all accounts currently linked to your profile. Step 4. Choose the account to unlink. From the list of linked accounts, identify the bank account you wish to unlink. Click on it to access more options related to that specific account. Step 5. Confirm unlinking. After selecting the account, look for an option to unlink or remove account. Follow the prompts to confirm your decision, ensuring that you understand any implications of unlinking the account. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully unlinked from Standard Chartered. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.